Midland Glazing presents Kinlong Door Hardware. Their door hardware is especially valued in commercial and residential construction for its durability, modern design, and advanced functionality. Kinlong offers a wide range of door fittings, including handles, locks, hinges, and patch fittings, all made from premium-grade galvanized steel and corrosion-resistant materials. Their hardware is designed to ensure smooth operation, enhanced security, and long-lasting performance. With a focus on innovation and aesthetic appeal, Kinlong products are ideal for UPVC aluminum and glass doors in both indoor and outdoor applications. For more information, please contact 0322 408 0056, Midland Glazing, Pakistan.